In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or just looking to add some interactive elements to your website, Squarespace makes it easy to set up and customize your own forms. So let's dive into the process step by step, and you'll have your questionnaire up and running in no time. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and look for the login option. Once there, simply click on login. This is your gateway to accessing all your projects and sites within Squarespace, ensuring that you have all your resources right at your fingertips. Next, for a fast login experience, you can click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to quickly log in using your Google account credentials, saving you the hassle of remembering yet another password. A seamless integration like this is always a time saver. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to your website. You should see a list of sites you manage, so simply click on the one where you want to add the questionnaire. This takes you to your site's dashboard where you can make all the necessary edits to enhance your site's functionality. Now let's head to the edit section. By clicking this option, you'll enter the editing mode of your website. Here you'll have the freedom to modify and add new elements as you see fit. It's your canvas and you're the artist. To add a questionnaire, we're going to click on Add Block. Blocks are the foundational elements of Squarespace pages, letting you integrate different types of content. In this case, we're interested in adding a block for a form, so select the form option from the available blocks. With the form in place, you'll want to click on the pencil icon, which allows you to customize the form settings. From here, you'll proceed to click on Edit Form Fields. This step brings up options to add and modify the fields that respondents will interact with. To start constructing your questionnaire, click on Add Field. Choosing the right field is crucial because it determines how users will submit their answers. Today's task is straightforward. We'll be using a radio button, so go ahead and click radio when selecting the field type. Now it's time for customization. Type in your question, which will populate on the form. This is what your respondents will see, so make sure it's clear and concise. Following that, click on Options to fill in the possible answers. Each option you enter here corresponds to a radio button that your respondents can select. With these steps completed, you have successfully created a basic questionnaire using Squarespace. By incorporating a form with the right fields and questions, you've added an interactive component to your website that can greatly enhance user engagement. Thanks for following along and happy form building.